my friends. I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen and the 12th episode of Ellen's ChristKwan Series. What is the other favorite holiday drink of Christmas time next to eggnog? Hot cocoa. And I got on my pajamas. It's so cold outside, and I figured this would be perfect to make. But not just any hot cocoa. We're going to make Peppermint White Hot Cocoa. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it's going to be full of peppermint flavor. Great to serve on Christmas Eve when you're wrapping gifts. Y'all going to fall in love with this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more hot chocolate recipes, check out my hot chocolate recipes playlist and my previous video, Lime Sherbet Punch. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your half and half, your peppermint extract, and your white chocolate chips, sugar, because we're about to make some peppermint white hot chocolate magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, in my large pot, I have my fire over medium heat. We're going to add in 1 cup of white chocolate chips and 1 cup of sweet milk, which is Southern talk for whole milk. Give this a quick stir. Gonna let this cook until the chocolate chips melt. And as soon as they melt, I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, the white chocolate chips has melted. Now we're going to add in 4 cups of half and half, which is half milk, half heavy cream. Give this a stir. And all we do is let it heat through. You don't want it to boil. All right, I'll bring you back. All righty, my friends, our hot chocolate is nice and warm. And off camera, I removed it from my burner. And I forgot to mention, make sure you taste it to see if it's sweet enough for you. Add in a little bit more white chocolate chips. Now it's time to add in our last ingredients. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. A half a teaspoon of pure peppermint extract. And this is optional. I'm going to add in just a few drops of red food coloring. Give it a little color. And stir this in. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Smells good. And that's it, my friends. Our hot chocolate is ready to serve. So now I'm about to pour them into my glasses. Now it's time to add on some toppings. Some fresh whipped cream. My homemade whipped cream. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. Some white chocolate chips. And last but not least, a peppermint. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Peppermint white hot chocolate. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. All right, here we go. Cheers. Oh, I can taste that peppermint and the white chocolate chips. So warm and comforting. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Peppermint white hot chocolate delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Much love. Cheers. Mm-mm.